So once you have created your Jive web account, you've logged in with your email address at my.jive.com, and you have the soft phone application running on any web browser. You can also download a Windows app. You can download an application for your cellular phones. Uh, Anywhere that you have data, you can download some sort of connectivity. In this case, I'm using my web browser, my.jive.com. I've logged in, but I do not have buttons like you would have speed dial buttons and extra line buttons and things like that on a desk phone. You do not have that with your web app. What we do is we create favorites. Favorites are fairly easy. The easiest way is to go into contacts and add. In this case, I'm going to look up Scott Payne. I'm going to select go. Now, this does not call him. If you click go, all it does is go to his information. To add him to my favorites, I simply click the little star, and he shows up in favorites, along with all of the other people that I already have in favorites. Any of these people you see, I can click in favorites, click the call button, and it will connect a phone call with him. Just as easily, if I have a button over here that I don't want, I unclick the star, and it removes them from my favorites list. Some of us, in particular, people at front desk positions and whatnot, anyone that needs access to the main line at your school building, the access is the same, but you have to set up a favorite that is a little different. So what we want to do, for instance, I will use the maintenance call queue. And to get into the call queues, the maintenance call queue is 12999 that correlates to the front building phone. But to build that button, I have to, in fact, dial a star code to set that up. So the first thing we're going to do is build the button. Star 13 will set it up so that you are prepared to enter a call queue. The building digits for maintenance are 12, and the main call queues at every building are always 999. Now, that's not a number you can dial. That's just how to get in and out of the queue. So it's star 13, your building code, and then 999. I want to add that as a contact. And in this case, I like to call them CallQ's. And then the digits for the call queue, I think it is 7150. I'm not sure. And then I want to save that, create contact. So now that I've created the contact, I had to create that in my favorite, in my contacts list. Now I can make it a favorite. Now I have call queue 7150. I've also got a call queue for computer operations already built. When you dial those queues, for instance, if I call this one now, I don't know if you can hear that. It's going to.
Agent logged in.
I have now logged into the call queue. Sitting on my laptop computer, if someone calls computer operations, it will now ring as if it is in the ring group. So you can build the call queues. If you need any help with this, please contact computer operations. I can help build the buttons on your web interface. From then on, any browser you log in on will have your favorites that you commonly call and your call queue buttons.